There's a common misconception that black holes are wormholes through space-time. The second most common misconception is that black holes just destroy all the matter that it is victim to its gravity. It just gets sucked in and is lost forever. As we all know, Einstein proved that matter can never be destroyed, only changed, used in a different manner, or converted back to energy. The reality is that there is a much more simple explanation. Black holes are the great power plants of our universe. Only a few years ago, Andrew Zimmerman Jones had this to say about black holes. A black hole is a theoretical entity predicted by the equation of general relativity. Black hole is formed when a star of sufficient mass undergoes a gravitational collapse, with most or all of its mass compressed into a sufficiently small area of space, causing an infinite space-time curvature at that point, such as a massive space-time curvature allows nothing, not even light, to escape from its event horizon or border, or so we thought. While most of the information remains true, a few things have changed from the information that Jones gave. 1. Black holes are still the result of a massive gravitational collapse. And 2. Space-time curvature is most probably infinite within the singularity, which would allow for the laws of physics to break down, meaning while in the presence of a black hole, anything is possible because the laws of physics no longer apply. Since Jones gave his speech, two things have changed. 1. Black holes are no longer theoretical, their existence is proven. And 2, it is now known that some matter does in fact escape black holes. Okay, for years it was believed that nothing could escape a black hole, and in 2004 Professor Stephen Hawking proved a particular phenomenon now known as Hawking radiation, where radiation undergoes a quantum leap and escapes the gravitational range of a black hole. This proves a few things. 1, matter can in fact escape black holes. And 2, through quantum mechanics, matter can move faster than the speed of light. And 3, Einstein's theory of general relativity does not apply within black holes. Now that we have gotten some history of physics out of the way, we can begin talking about what black holes really do. As I mentioned earlier, there are two major theories on the function of black holes. 1, they are used to manipulate space-time, or 2, they destroy matter. While these theories have some merit, they are wrong. While black holes could be used to manipulate space-time, this is not the main function of the singularity. Also, while it seems that black holes destroy matter, this is simply incorrect. They convert matter back into energy, which is, after all, the source of all matter. Hawking radiation is ejected from black holes, which reacts with particles by charging them in a particular manner, either positive or negative. Actually, they can be charged neutral, but they would just come in contact with whatever and gain its polarity. We all know that positive attracts negative and vice versa. So now we know that Hawking radiation escapes black holes and it randomly charges particles. This explains why there are randomly charged particles throughout the universe, and also explains why dark matter exists. These particles would attract each other and create massive chains of particles. Eventually, over millions and millions of years, these chains would combine to create a massive celestial body easily larger than our sun. Okay. In our universe, mass equals gravity. The easiest way to think of this is a bowling ball lying on a bed sheet pulled very tight. This is the way that massive objects affect space-time to create gravity. This is a very profound effect on the massive particles. They begin to compress and churn, creating friction and heat. The billions of particles create new chains of chemicals and compounds and pick up new chemicals while traveling through space to create even better compounds. And with a little luck, this will start a nuclear reaction and a fission process will begin. This new mass of particles will undergo a nuclear reaction for a few million years, and that's called a star. Our sun is a star, and this star will do one of 3 things. 1, it can supernova. It basically means that it'll just explode. 2, it can just burn out, stop the nuclear reaction. Or 3, its gravity can collapse, and it will become a black hole, starting the process all over. So it is my theory that black holes are the power plants of our universe, a great recycling plant. And without this process, our universe would be full of dead stars and other junk, which would dramatically increase the odds of Earth being hit by a massive asteroid millions of tons in size. Okay. Today I've explained how things escape black holes, what happens once they escape, and how they react with each other. This information proves that black holes are not voids or wormholes. It proves that they recycle in the universe. Without black holes, the universe would become cluttered and we would all die.
I like the ending.
It's,
That's sad.